Hi, my name is Annette Hibbler, and I am the founder of Real Leads Finder Pro. I've worked as a licensed realtor for nearly 10 years now. The reason I eventually decided to set up Real Leads Finder Pro was because of many years of frustration with popular CRMs designed for real estate agents or salespeople. Real Leads Finder Pro puts no limits on you. You can have unlimited number of contacts, unlimited number of team members, unlimited number of text messages, unlimited number of sales funnels and lead pages that you can create, unlimited number of how many times you want to post on your social media accounts. A few years ago, I started an Etsy shop selling easily customizable templates to other real estate agents using Canva. So anyway, that really started to take off. That started to do really well. And I was like, there really seems to be a need here that's not being met. So I took the system that I was using that gave me license to then resell, and I took my graphics designs, my email templates. We're talking social media posts, we're talking images, we're talking graphs, we're talking videos and whatnot that I would normally sell on my Etsy shop, and just put them into the system. And I didn't charge any extra for it either. And I incorporated them into the system so that when you, whether you're in sales or any kind of sales, including real estate, but I focus mostly on real estate because that's my background, right? So when you go onto the system, not only is everything available to you, but you also get templates without any extra cost. I set up email marketing templates. Already have text in them. You can change it out, obviously. Just add your logo, your contact info, you're done. Campaigns, email drip campaigns that look beautiful and professional. So I focus heavily on providing you with a lot of the marketing material that's mostly just done for you already. You just have to tweak it. And the reason I do that is because it's hard being a realtor. It's not easy. You have to wear so many hats. And who the heck has the time? And most people don't even know how to do any kind of graphic design. We also offer done-for-you services. So, for instance, so many times I've heard realtors complain, I don't have the time to be posting on my social media nearly as much as I know I should. And consistency is key. If you want to make a brand for yourself, a name for yourself, be recognized, you have to be engaged, you have to be consistent. And it's not just posting, okay? Bright Social recommends that you post on each of your social media accounts at least 5 times a day. Then there's the issue of building up your reputation through client referrals and client testimonials. Now, text testimonials on Zillow are great. Yep, I understand that. But compared to Google, Zillow is a lake and Google is the ocean. And where is the first place that someone who doesn't know you, doesn't know any realtor, is going to go search is on Google. Okay? They're going to go search for realtor near me or realtor near your city. Okay? That's number one. You need to be building that up. You need to set up your Google business listing, put the address on there, put all your contacts on there, fill in the hours, get everything ready. And did you know that just like you post on Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and other places, Twitter, whatever, you should also be posting to your Google listing. And why? Why does this help? Because the more activity that Google sees on your listing, the higher and more frequently you're going to show up when someone is searching for an agent in your area. Okay? So it's not just list it and forget it. Okay? You need to be consistent. So the great thing about this system is if you want to do it yourself, you can. You can do it yourself. We offer a social media planner that lets you schedule social media posts out in advance. I schedule my social media posts. The majority, I'd say a good 75% of it is scheduled way in advance, like 6 months in advance. And then as I have new things come up, like say I have a new listing or an open house coming up or some sort of event that I want to highlight, then I'll add on to that, right? I'll create that post and add on. But the majority of my work is already done because I've already scheduled it out easily. And the great thing is I don't have to create one post for Facebook, create a similar post for LinkedIn, and then do it again for Twitter, and then do it again for, whatever else. I don't have to do any of that. With our system, Real Leads Finder Pro, you create one post and it goes to all of your social media accounts. And you can choose which ones you want it to go to, or you can choose to let it go to all of them and schedule them out. And that saves you an incredible amount of time. Just think about that. So if you don't want to deal with it, we have done for you services. We will post on your social media accounts as soon as you're all set up, you've integrated your accounts. We'll post for you 5 times a day on either all or just some of your accounts. We'll work with you, we'll talk to you, and we'll see what's best for you. Another thing that we do as a bonus that you won't find anywhere else is that we create a video for you every month. And we'll brand it to you and we'll send it to you so that then all you have to do is upload it to your YouTube channel. You can also take that video link and then incorporate it into your email campaigns. You could put it on your websites. The idea is to give you free reign to grow, uninhibited, without a whole bunch of upgrade charges constantly hounding you. Okay? We also provide you with all the training that you'll ever need. And I personally provide you with one-on-one consult whenever you need one, whenever you're looking. But the system does come with group training sessions every day. So I hope that you'll consider partnering with me and hopping on Real Leads Finder Pro. You do get 2 weeks free, which should give you some time to look under the hood and see if this is something that works for you. You won't be charged until after the 2 weeks. I hope you'll give Real Leads Finder Pro serious consideration as the ultimate marketing and CRM tool to grow your business.